Hi everyone, I'm Tracy. I hope everyone at home is happy and healthy. Today I'm going to be doing a cooking experience with you. We're going to be making yummy pumpkin muffins. This is a recipe from our food and family program up here, and the ingredients and method and whatever else you need will be in the video a little bit later on. So before we do any cooking, the most important thing of all is to have nice clean hands. So I'm going to be using some hand sanitizer, but you can wash your hands with soap at the sink. If you have one nearby, I don't, so that's why I'm using the hand sanitizer. Okay, I think I have nice clean hands now, ready to go. So in this bowl, I have some flour. It's just plain flour in here, and there's 1 cup of plain flour. And to that I'm going to add some baking powder. So the baking powder helps the plain flour to rise and gives it that nice soft fluffy texture. So I'll just mix that in a little bit. You could use self-raising flour too. Okay, and to that I'm going to add some spices. So in here I have nutmeg and cinnamon, and there's also a little bit of salt in there. So that can go in with the flour. And I also have 1 cup of sultanas. You can use raisins for this one as well. And that's going to go in with the flour. Just give that a little mix around. Okay, and then over here we have our wet ingredients. So we're going to be using some pumpkin in this recipe. This is some roast pumpkin left over from my dinner last night. You can use mashed pumpkin as well, and also sweet potato. Mashed sweet potato works really well in this one. So there's about 1 cup of pumpkin, and to that I'm going to add 2 eggs. There's going to be 2 to 3 tablespoons of melted butter in there as well, and ½ a cup of milk. So I've used full cream milk, but you could use skim milk or light milk, or soya milk or almond milk, whatever sort of milk you would like in there. And with the butter, you don't need to use butter. You can use margarine, coconut oil, olive oil, vegetable oil, any of those sorts of substitutes as well. That needs a good mix to combine everything. And then that is going to go into our dried ingredients. Oops. And we're going to mix that around thoroughly but gently. With muffins you don't need to mix them a lot, just until everything is combined. Go, that looks pretty well done, so it's going to look like that. And next we're going to put our mixture into the patty pans. That is our muffin mixture into the pans. We're going to pop that into the oven now. I have preheated the oven to about 180 and the muffins cook for about 15 minutes. So let's go. Grown up to help you with this. They look pretty good.